My name is Professor Michael Singer, and I am the director of the MSc program Water, Climate Change, and Sustainability. And I wanted to tell you a little bit about the program, which is designed to address water problems in the context of climate change and sustainability around the globe. Delighted that you have applied for this program, and we're really excited for you to come and join us at Cardiff University. Many employers across a range of career choices are looking for water leaders who have a theoretical understanding of water and climate change and sustainability, and also have the technical skills in order to address the critical problems. Prospective employers keep coming to me and telling me what sorts of skills are lacking in their workforce at the moment. And these are exactly the sorts of things that we are trying to teach within our program. For many of you, this new MSc program could represent a big jump from your undergraduate degree, but don't worry, we will support you to get you up to speed with the relevant skills and knowledge so that you can succeed. We will train you in a range of techniques and methods to address water problems from a theoretically strong vantage point, but also using the latest technology. We'll assess you in a range of assessment types, from group working, presentations, to quantitative problem sets that simulate real career situations, all the way to the culmination of the dissertation, which is a research project that you co-develop with a member of staff on a subject that is interesting to you. For example, you may work on a group poster focused on a particular region of the world to understand the climate change challenges and the coping mechanisms, the adaptation measures that are proposed for that. Previous students have worked on problems such as understanding what is causing increasing flooding in South Asia, to understanding the drought impacts on water resources in the United States Southwest. When you graduate, you'll be viable for positions in environmental consulting, in higher education research, in government, policy making, a whole range of different career choices that would be applicable. And we have 100% employability in this program. We will be sending you over the summer a welcome pack to help you prepare for this master's course, which will include some information on different readings and other resources to help you prepare. We look forward to welcoming you here at Cardiff University to join our school and to join this exciting MSc.